This is the short version of practice problem number 3, lesson 6, describing transformations, and unit 1, rigid transformations and congruence. In this problem, you are to describe a sequence of transformations, so more than one transformation that takes triangle A to its image, which is triangle B. So what transformations move this figure to this image? For this problem, it is easiest for me to move one of these points to its corresponding point over here. And the easiest one is, I think, is to move this point right here so it's in this same place right here. So a translation gets you there. And I could just say translate this point to its corresponding point right here, but we usually describe that as a vertical move and a horizontal move. So I'm going to describe this as moving this triangle vertically 2 units and then horizontally, so there's the 2 units, and then horizontally to the right 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that gets that point right here. And so now you have to decide whether this is a rotation or a reflection. You can see that it's a reflection because this point goes right here, this point goes right here. It's not a rotation because this shorter side with the larger angle, if it were a rotation, would end up down here, and this smaller angle with the longer side with the rotation would end up here. So it's not a rotation, it is a reflection. And to reflect this figure to this image B right here, you move each of these points over the line of reflection. So this is the line of reflection. And they move perpendicular to that line of reflection, so forming a 90-degree angle and an equal distance on the other side. So each of these 2 points moves at a 90-degree angle or perpendicular to the line of reflection and an equal distance on the other side of that line of reflection. 90-degree angle, perpendicular to the line of reflection, an equal distance on the other side of that line of reflection. So that is a reflection. So the sequence of transformations to move A to its image B is a translation, and then followed by a reflection.